In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to change email on Jumia account. All you just need to do is just log into your Jumia account using your app, or if you're using browser. So basically, I'm using the Jumia app, and I guess it's more easier that way. All you just have to do, log into your account. Then down below, you're gonna see account. So just click on that, then scroll all the way down. Then you're gonna see account manager right there, or account management. So just click on that. Then it's gonna take you to your browser. So I don't know which browser you're actually using to log into your own Jumia account. So just click on profile details, then you can see edit phone number, basic details. So you're gonna see your basic details right there. Then you can see your email, so just input the new email you actually want to be using, and you can also be able to change your phone number on your Jumia account. So then you're gonna click on save or edit profile, then you'll be able to edit your profile without any issue. So that's how you can actually change email on your Jumia account.